Backyardigans. Hide and go boo! Whoa! Said Pablo in his spookiest voice. I'm a ghost. Ghosts float around and make noises like this. Woo! It's great to be a ghost. Just then he saw Uniqua and Tyrone playing hide and seek. He quickly hid behind a bush. Uniqua heard a spooky moaning sound. Tyrone, what's that? She asked. It sounds like a ghost, Tyrone replied. Ghosts make me nervous. Boo! Yelled Pablo as he jumped out. Ah! Screamed Uniqua and Tyrone. Did I scare you? Pablo asked. Yeah, I was really scared, answered Tyrone. You're a good ghost. Hey, we want to be ghosts too, Uniqua said, clapping excitedly. Tyrone wasn't so sure. But ghosts make me nervous. Don't worry, it's great to be a ghost, Pablo said. Come on, let's go find a haunted house so we can haunt someone. They floated to a perfect haunted house and then floated right through the locked door. Inside the house, big dusty paintings hung on the walls. Cobwebs covered every corner. It sure is spooky in here, said Tyrone. Don't worry, Tyrone. It's great to be a ghost, said Pablo. Now we need to find an unsuspecting stranger to scare. Just then, the doorbell rang. Hello? A voice said from the other side of the door. Is anybody home? An unsuspecting stranger, whispered Pablo. Okay, when I open the door, we'll all jump out and yell, boo! When the door opened, everyone saw that the unsuspecting stranger was Tasha. Boo! Yelled Pablo and Uniqua. Boo! Said Tyrone nervously. Hey, you guys, said Tasha. What a cool house. Maybe a little dusty. Aren't you scared? Asked Pablo. Tasha smiled and shrugged. Oh, nothing scares me, she said. I know, we can play hide and go boo, said Uniqua. That'll scare you. Yeah, said Pablo. It's just like hide and seek, but it's much scarier. We'll see, said Tasha. The three ghosts went off to hide. Pablo hid in a painting. He jumped out at Tasha, but she barely blinked. Uniqua tried being invisible. She made a book look like it was floating in the air. But again, Tasha didn't seem bothered. Tyrone will scare you, Uniqua told Tasha. He's really spooky. If you say so, said Tasha, but she doubted it. Upstairs, Tyrone leaned against a wall, sighing. I'm not a very good ghost, he said. Suddenly the wall moved, and he found himself in a secret room. Then a sheet covering a mirror fell on top of him. Oh no, cried Tyrone. A ghost has got me. He waved his hands wildly. He looked in the mirror and saw that the ghost did the same. He jumped up and down, and so did the ghost. Then he realized that he was the scary ghost he saw in the mirror. Tyrone, Tasha called as she, Pablo, and Uniqua reached the top of the stairs. Come out, wherever you are. Just then the wall moved again. Uniqua, Pablo, and Tasha turned around and saw the scariest ghost of all. Boo, boo, boo! The sheet-covered Tyrone said as loud as he could. Ah! They all screamed. Tyrone pulled off the sheet laughing. You really scared me, Tasha said. What can I say? Said Tyrone. It's great to be a ghost. It sure is, a mysterious voice called out. Who was that? Asked Uniqua. I don't know, but let's get out of here, Pablo said. Who wants a snack at my house? I do, Everyone cried as they ran home for a not-so-scary snack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more of the Backyardigans stories, check out my The Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.